to some of your guys' questions. So the last one is just to go ahead and how to subtract some surds. And they didn't really give me an example, so I just made these up. So, just the first example, first thing I, want you guys to think about is when you have a surd or, a radical of a number that you cannot take to simplify any further, you just want to make sure as long as what we call the radicand is going to be exactly the same, then you can just go ahead and subtract them. And again, you can think about this like 5x minus 7x, right? 5x minus 7x is going to be a negative 2x. So when you have the exact same surd here, you can just apply the operation to their coefficients. So in this case, it's going to be negative 2 square root of 3. Now in the next example, you can't do anything with the square root of 2 and the square root of 8 because they're not exactly the same. However, we can simplify the square root of 8, so therefore it becomes a surd right now. So, or we can simplify it a little bit further, so therefore we have the square root of 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up 8 as 4 times 2. Then I'll do 3. Now, again, I can break this up and do the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Now, the square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Now you can see that my surds are exactly the same. So now I can apply my operation to my coefficients, which will be an 8 square root